Now, let's scroll down on the GitHub README and start adding on the next set of features. We've got a launch screen, but users can't really interact with the applet yet. So let's add on the lock functionality so that users can launch the application and then lock their front door. We want it so that users can say, Alexa or OK Google, ask Smart Lock to lock my door. First thing we'll run is git status, and we'll see that we actually added a bunch of changes. Before we move on to this next branch, let's push all of these changes up to Git. Run git add dot, which will add all of your changes to our newest commit. Then we will commit them by running git commit -m, in quotes, the name of our commit message, which for this one, we created the lock launch intent as well as the launch tests, so you can label that as your commit message. And then run git push origin feature / the name of your GitHub username. Once that's done, we'll scroll back up and click branches. And then find your branch and click create pull request. If you click commits up at the top, you can see all of the commits that went into this newest pull request. And then you can scroll through and see all of the green, which are code additions, and red, which are code subtractions. In our app.js, we can see the speech builders that we created, and then we can also see our test cases if we scroll down far enough. We'll go back to the conversation, and then we'll merge our pull request. Once our pull request is merged, we can delete the branch. And going back to our code, we can see that our voice first tech branch was added. Now, we'll make sure that our changes went through correctly by checking out at the master branch. And then we'll pull from our Git repository. And now let's run our Jovo server with Jovo run. Oh, I was in the wrong folder. Once I change to the right folder, then we run Jovo run. Not all caps. And then we'll run the tests. And everything should be working.